What myth are we busting today, Mila?
Well, Will, Mr. Bone's 6th grade science class is going to see if buttered toast really does fall down butter side down.
Well, every time I drop my buttered toast in the morning, it always falls butter side down.
Well, we're going to be the Mythbusters today and see if it's really true.
Well, I'm a huge Mythbusters fan, and I'm really excited about this. Let's get started.
We decided to try to bust the following myth. Buttered toast is more likely to fall butter side down.
For this myth, we've developed the following testable question. Is buttered toast more likely to fall butter side up or butter side down from a height of 3 feet?
We chose a specific height to reduce the number of variables in the investigation.
Plus, 3 feet was a realistic height from which toast would be dropped, about the same height as most tables.
Our hypothesis was very similar to the original myth.
We just changed it to fit the height of our investigation.
When dropped from a height of 3 feet, buttered toast is more likely to land butter side down.
So, Haley, how has each group been different in the investigation?
For Mason, each group has done something different, as in pushed it off the table or either flipped it off the table.
So, shot, man. We had 11 groups of students who took part in the investigation.
Each group could design their own toast dropping device any way they chose.
However, they each had to drop the toast from the same height of 3 feet.
After each had built the apparatus, they would drop 20 pieces of toast, 10 dry, 10 buttered, and record which side they fell on. By comparing the results of the dry toast and buttered toast, we could decide if the butter really affected the side the toast would land on.
Each group used their device to complete their 20 trials.
They recorded the results of each drop, flip, or push of toast.
As groups finished their investigation, they added up the totals for both the dry and buttered toast. After all groups were finished, we recorded all of the groups' data onto a table.
110 pieces of dry toast were dropped, 53 landed with the A side up, and 57 landed with the B side up.
Butter toast was also dropped 110 times. It landed on butter side up 58 times and butter side down 52 times.
So the buttered toast actually landed butter side down less often than the dry toast.
So, what else could you explain the results?
Even though the groups completed their experiment multiple times, there may have been differences in the way each trial was conducted.
Right, I noticed that some groups who pushed the toast off the desk may have used different amounts of force each time.
And some of the contraptions may have favored one side or the other based on the designs.
Nonetheless, our results overall still didn't favor either side.
So what did we come up with?
Well, after conducting many different trials with various methods of dropping the toast, it seems like it's still about a 50-50 chance of falling either way.
Whether it's pushed, dropped, flipped, or launched, the side the toast lands on is about as random as a coin toss.
And having butter on the toast didn't cause it to land butter side down more often.
Actually, the buttered toast landed facing up more times than it did facing down.
Right, so our findings definitely did not support our hypothesis.
So, can we wrap this one up?
Yeah, based on our findings, this myth is all busted.